Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Buenos días, buenos días, buenos días a ti. Nos días está empezando, hay mucho que hacer. So good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope everyone had a beautiful weekend. Miss Feliciano had some time with her son and with my sister. We all got together and was able to bond. So I hope you were able to at least get outside for a little bit, or you were able to spend your beautiful days with your family. Let's begin. So, March. It is the month of March. Now, when we last met what number was this? 20, right? And we didn't see each other for 2 days, so let's count up. 21, 22. What comes after 22? 23, you got it. So today is March 23, 2020. So let's write. Now, to write the 23, what do I write first? Do I write the 3 first, or do I write the 2 first? Yep, we write the 2 first. So it's 2 and then 3. March 23, 2020. And we have to put this comma because that lets us know that these two numbers are separate. So today's March 23. I need your help. Can you help me count up to 23? So let's count and tap. So every time I point to a number, you're going to say that number and then you're going to tap. Ready? Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Great job. Today is March 23, 2020. What is the weather? What is the weather? Let us see. Let us see. What is the weather? What is the weather? Let us see. Let us see. Okay, boys and girls, if you have a window near you, take a peek outside. Tell the person next to you what's happening outside. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Or is it snowy? Well, I'm looking out my window and I see something falling from the sky. Do you see it too? Okay. Is it white or is it clear? I agree with you, it's clear. It's rain, isn't it? So the last time we wrote rainy, we have 2 different numbers here. So the last time we wrote rainy, let's look on the top. It was 13. So what must come after 13? So if we have 13 and we add 1 more, what number is that? You got it, 14. Let's count up to 14 and then we'll write it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 rainy days. Now, boys and girls, the last time we said sunny, it was 12. I want you to think, how many sunny days do we need to be the same as rainy? Do I hear 1? Oh, I hear 2 too. And then I hear 4. How about we count to find out? So the sunny comes up to 12. So we need to go to 14. 1, 2, We need 2 more days so it can be the same as rainy. Great job for those that said 2. Let's do our letters. Let's focus on the letter sounds today. So when I point to the alphabet, I want you to tell me this letter sound. A, you got it. B, K, D, E, G, I, J, K, L, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. I want us to go back to this letter. This is B, ba, B. Say it with me. B, ba, B. So this letter, we're going to actually focus on writing it. Now you don't need a paper, you don't need a pen, you just need your magical finger. So in the air, I want us together to draw the letter B. So everyone, start with your hand up. We're going to go down, go back up, curve around, stop, curve around, stop, B, uppercase B, B. Say it with me, uppercase B, B. Great job. Now we're going to look at the lowercase b. Ready? Let's start. Down, go back up, curve around, and stop. Lowercase b, B. Say it with me. Lowercase b, B. Great job, boys and girls. Can you tell me what this is a picture of? I see a pillow. I see a blanket. On what piece of furniture do you find a pillow and a blanket? A bed, you got it. Can you help me pound out this word? Okay, so everyone, you need one hand and then you need a fist. Ready? Do it with me. Bed. B, E, D. Bed. Let's try that again. Bed. B, E, D. Bed. The beginning sound that we heard was B. The middle sound we heard was E. You got it. The ending sound was D. Great job. We spelled the word bed. Yay! Great job, boys and girls. Words to know, words to know. Hi ho, the stereo. We're looking at words to know. This says at. Great job. This says we. You got it. This says am. This says go. Two. I. Can. The. A is, and this one, C. Great job. This word we're going to hear a lot today, and I'm going to show you why. So remember what that word looks like. C. My hands go up, my hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, let me show you how. Story time is starting now. So today when I read, I want you to be thinking about, how can I extend this story? How can I add something new to the story? So when I read, brown bear, what do you see? I want you to be thinking about, what is something new that you can add to the story? After I'm done reading, you're going to share with your mommies or daddies or the person next to you. They're going to write it in their comments, but then I would like you to draw a picture of something new that we could add to brown bear, what do you see? We'll talk about that more later. Brown bear, what do you see? Written by Bill Martin Jr. and illustrated by Eric Carmel. This book took 2 people to write this book. And it was published by Henry Holt Company in New York. This is known as the title page. This is where you can see what the title is, who the author is, and also who is the illustrator, the person who drew the pictures. Now this was one of my class's favorite books. Can you tell? We've tried to keep this together as much as you can. We use tape, so bear with me and this book. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? I see, what do you think they see? Let's see. We see, say it with me, a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end. Great job, boys and girls. Now I want you to share and tell your person next to you, your mommies and dads, how can you extend the story? So perhaps you can say, I see a, what's something that you didn't read in the story? Perhaps another animal like this. I see a blue snake looking at me.